The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25's battery capacity has been revealed, displaying a similar, yet different situation than its predecessor. According to Galaxy Club, the S25 will use the same 4000 mAh battery as the Galaxy S24. The Galaxy S20 and S21 both have 4000 mAh batteries, while the S22 has a worrying drop to 3700 mAh. The S23 partly solved this by increasing capacity to 3900 mAh, and the S24 eventually reverted to 4000 mAh. It seems that the S25 will maintain that level. While a 4000 mAh battery is enough, it's important to remember the rising demand for smartphone batteries. Processors get more powerful, panels become brighter, and features allow for greater refresh rates, which contribute to increased power consumption. The upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip is expected to have significant power consumption, with speed allegedly clocking in at above 4 GHz. Samsung plans to employ an exclusive made for Galaxy version of this chip in their upcoming S-series phone, which will have even faster clock rates and demand more power. So a 4000 mAh battery may struggle to deliver enough power to operate the chip optimally. Nonetheless, there are speculations that Chinese companies are opting for larger 6000 mAh batteries in their Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 powered flagships. The most recent information on the Galaxy S25 battery confirms the earlier claim, which stated that the phone would have greater battery life owing to AI but that there were no advancements in battery capacity. The phone will purportedly have an AI-powered battery-saving mode that would remove unneeded background programs that use system resources in order to extend battery life. It's important to remember that these are just leaks and that Samsung's final specifications may differ, but more and more leaks are indicating that there will be no change in battery capacity. Will Samsung's gamble on AI-optimized battery management be enough to offset the power demands of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip in the Galaxy S25, or will users have to sacrifice performance for longer battery life? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.